There's nothing quite as comforting as a warm bowl of tomato soup. The rich aroma fills the air, inviting you to take that first delightful sip. It's a classic dish that evokes feelings of warmth and nostalgia. Memories of family gatherings and cozy evenings come flooding back with each spoonful. This recipe elevates the simple tomato soup to new heights. By adding a blend of fresh herbs and spices, we create a depth of flavor that is truly remarkable. We use fresh, high-quality ingredients to create a soup that is both flavorful and satisfying. Ripe tomatoes, aromatic garlic, and sweet onions form the base of this delicious dish. Tomato soup is incredibly versatile. You can enjoy it plain or get creative with various garnishes like basil, cream, or even a sprinkle of cheese. Enjoy it as a light lunch or a comforting dinner. It's perfect for any time of the day, whether you're looking for a quick meal or a hearty dish to end your day. Pair it with a grilled cheese sandwich for the ultimate comfort food experience. The combination of crispy, gooey cheese and rich tomato soup is simply unbeatable. No matter how you enjoy it, this tomato soup recipe is sure to become a new family favorite. It's a dish that brings people together, creating moments of joy and connection. This recipe is easy to follow and perfect for cooks of all levels. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner, you'll find this recipe straightforward and rewarding. So gather your ingredients and get ready to make the best tomato soup you've ever tasted. With just a few simple steps, you'll have a delicious homemade soup that will warm your heart and soul. The foundation of any good tomato soup lies in the aromatics. These essential ingredients are what give the soup its rich and complex flavor profile. We use a classic combination of celery, carrots, and onions to build a flavorful base. This trio is often referred to as the Holy Trinity of cooking, and for good reason. These vegetables add a touch of sweetness and depth to the soup. As they cook, they release their natural sugars, which caramelize and enhance the overall taste. Celery provides a slightly earthy flavor. Its crisp texture also adds a nice contrast to the other softer vegetables. Carrots add a touch of sweetness and vibrant color. They are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients like beta-carotene. Onions offer a savory base that enhances all the other flavors. When sautéed, they become tender and release a subtle sweetness. Garlic is another key ingredient that adds a pungent aroma. Its strong flavor mellows out when cooked, adding complexity to the soup. We sauté the garlic briefly to release its fragrance and enhance the soup's overall flavor. This step is crucial for bringing out the best in garlic. These simple vegetables work together to create a symphony of flavors that will make your taste buds sing. Each ingredient plays its part, contributing to a harmonious and delicious final dish. While you can use any type of canned tomatoes, we highly recommend San Marzano tomatoes for this recipe. San Marzano tomatoes are known for their sweet, delicate flavor and low acidity. They have a lower water content, which results in a richer, more flavorful soup. Look for San Marzano tomatoes that are certified DOP, Denominazione di Origine Protetta. This certification guarantees that the tomatoes are grown in a specific region of Italy using traditional methods. Don't worry about crushing the tomatoes too much. We will blend the soup later for a smooth and creamy texture. Section 4. Creating depth, the simmering process. Once the vegetables are softened, it's time to add the tomatoes, broth, and seasonings. We use simple seasonings like salt, pepper, and thyme to enhance the natural sweetness of the tomatoes. Simmering the soup for at least 30 minutes allows the flavors to meld and deepen. This slow cooking process extracts maximum flavor from the tomatoes and vegetables. Taste the soup and adjust the seasonings as needed. You can add more salt, pepper, or a pinch of sugar to balance the acidity of the tomatoes. Section 5. Texture and toppings, from smooth to chunky. Once the soup has simmered, it's time to blend it to your desired consistency. You can use an immersion blender for a quick and easy option, or carefully transfer the soup to a blender in batches. If you prefer a chunkier soup, leave some of the tomatoes unblended. For a completely smooth soup, blend until no pieces remain. Now let's talk about toppings. Parmesan crisps add a delicious salty crunch to the soup. Simply sprinkle grated Parmesan cheese onto a baking sheet and bake until golden brown and crispy. Section 6. More than just soup versatility and meal prep. This tomato soup is not only delicious but also incredibly versatile. You can enjoy it on its own or use it as a starting point for a variety of other dishes. It's a great base for other recipes. You can get creative and experiment with different ingredients to make new and exciting meals. Use it as a sauce for pasta. The rich flavors of the tomato soup blend perfectly with the pasta, creating a comforting and satisfying dish. Or as a base for a creamy risotto. The soup adds a depth of flavor and a creamy texture that elevates the risotto to a whole new level. This soup is perfect for meal prep. It's easy to make in large quantities and can be stored in the fridge or freezer for later use. Make a big batch on the weekend and enjoy it for lunches or dinners throughout the week. It's a time saver and ensures you have a healthy meal ready to go. It reheats beautifully and tastes even better the next day. The flavors have more time to meld together, making it even more delicious. If you're looking for more delicious soup recipes, be sure to check out our website. We have a wide range of options to suit every taste and preference. We have a wide variety of soups to choose from, including creamy butternut squash soup, hearty lentil soup, and classic chicken noodle soup. Each recipe is designed to be easy to follow and packed with flavor. You'll never get bored with the endless possibilities. What are your favorite kinds of soup? Share your thoughts and let us know which recipes you'd like to see next.